Today is a windy day, and this is what we like to do on a windy day.
Oh yeah.
Couch scenes. Are you ready?
Yeah, are you ready?
Oh, heck to the yeah.
Oh.
Ouch.
Oh. This is what you do when your friend is taking a nap on a windy day.
We got. Come on.
Ponies. What?
Get up.
Help me up. This is payback for when he got me on the couch in my beauty sleep. He made me a bit prettier, but he stopped the process. Let's go.
Riding around with sauce and singing.
Whee! So much fun!
Yay! Get my scooter. My stupid scooter.
When we stand together, hey, 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 yeah. When we stand together, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. When we stand together, hey, hey, yeah. When we ride together, hey, hey, yeah.
I just passed him up. Yeah, yeah.
When he passes me up, hey, 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 hey. And he'll come around the corner, hey, hey, hey.
I'm about to pass him up again.
The finale.